this video, I'll show you how to add chapters to your videos if you have uploaded it already or while you're presenting your uploads to your channel. Also, make sure you stay to the end because guess what? I got a little extra tip I'm going to include at the end of this video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up chapters if you have uploaded it already or while you're presenting your uploads to your channel. This will be your walkthrough on how to do that, and also your timestamps for things in your video to help those who want to be in certain parts of your video and certain things they want to find out quicker. They can click those timestamps. So without further ado, here we go. All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your channel. When you're in your channel, you're going to hit Manage Videos. If you have already uploaded your video or you're in the process of uploading a video, like I did in the last video, which is going to be part of how to create a Premiere, well, what you're going to do is you can do it while you're doing your uploads, or you can come back and do it after. Either way. But in this case, I'm going to hit the pencil right below the video I want to add chapters to or timestamp them. And then when I do that, I will be in this portion of my video. This is where my video details are. If you scroll down, you're going to see where it says upload and default and all this stuff, and one says best practice. You're going to go down until you see add chapters right here. So and it's called your timestamps, but it's known as chapters. I'm going to click on that. When I click on it, this is what you're going to get that pops up. Now I'm going to stop the video because it automatically gives me the first timestamp. In this case, it's the introduction. What is my video about? Is going to be the first part. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play it, and then I'm going to stop it where I want the next timestamp, which will be the next step I do. So let's go and show you this real quick. And while this is playing, I'm going to know where to stop. It's buffering. I got too many tabs open. Give me a second, please. As we come back to our regular scheduled program already in progress. I think this is where I wanted to start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit that little plus sign, add chapter. When it comes up, you can type what that chapter is. And this, I'm going to type how to claim your items. All right, then we're going to go back and play some more. All right, now I'm going to stop it. I want to back up a little bit because I did go too far. And it should be right there when it starts. Plus. And this is what I have, what's known as my warning intro. Enter. I'm going to come back and play again. And you're going to keep doing this until you tag everything you want. And I can actually fast forward this a little bit. And this will be my next tag. Once it comes up again. All right, now I'm going to hit plus. And this I'm going to label show promotion clip. Show promotion clip. And then I'm going to scan because I know where it's going to be. And you can do this even this way by right here. And this is going to be where you're going to have to play a little bit at a time back and forth, but the more you get the hang of it, the easier it'll get. And of course, you can do this through your whole video, including the outro. And I have everything labeled as I'm doing it, so it's easy. But this is going to be it will be a little tedious if you have never done it before. So it should be right here where this is going to be how to claim. Oh, let me see what it says. Back it up a little bit. little bit more. I'll keep working with this until I get them all. Yeah, so let me back up a little bit more right there. And let me go and play. As soon as it comes up, right here, I'm going to add, and this is introducing myself. Actually, I could put introduction of myself. Now, I'm going to fast forward this a little bit because I do have other things in here. I want to make sure I get it right. And you can do this throughout your whole video. But again, depending on where you're at and what you're doing, you want to mark whatever you can for each section of your video. And it helps everybody go to find those complete sections by just hitting the tag after it's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and process this. All right, so let me back up a little bit. I want to put this as the all right, so I'm going to add it here. How to claim in the comment part of video. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and play a little bit more. And you can be very detailed as much as you want. That's why I'm doing this to kind of show you. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these chapters, and I'll come right back and show you the end result.
A few moments later.
Now, after I haven't been able to go through the video, it takes a little while, but also I have everything done. And when you're doing it, you're going to see all these little black tabs. That means that's everywhere you took and did a chapter of your video for a different topic or a different part of your video. This helps those who are watching your video to be able to go in through the description and click each one of those different items. That way they can go directly to or skip part of your video to go to what they want to do, like the meat and bones of the video or a specific topic or something you pointed out. It'll bring it directly to that clip of that video. Now, also, now that we have all of our timestamps done and we got all our little chapters, one thing you want to do before you do anything else, and don't exit until you do this very next step, which is very important. Now that I went through and did all of my timestamps, or in this case, chapters, right here at the bottom where it says add to videos, you want to make sure you add it because then it implements everything you just did, all that work you did on putting those chapters in, it actually adds it to your video. So make sure you hit that add to video and it then adds it into your video. As you see, your chapters have been added to your video description, which automatically puts it into your description. Please review and click and save on your YouTube page and apply them to your video. So you can hit OK. And now it's saying I have too much stuff in here. So I need to go through here and click this a little bit and see what I have too much of, because now it's saying I have too many characters. So let's see what it says. Oh, yeah, I have way too many characters in here. So what I'm going to do is I need to trim this down some. And so again, you got to make sure you no less than 5,000 characters, and I have 7,250. So with this, I will go through and clear up my description area so I can have this ready for this show. And of course, that's just a little extra something I got to do because you cannot have more than 5,000 characters. But if you did not have that many characters, it automatically puts it into your description. Just take what you need out. That's not important. That's not part of your video that you're trying to do. Now that I cleaned up my description, now you're going to see that everything is nice in there, all the timestamps that are important. I took a lot of details out of the actual wording and stuff like that to keep it to under 5,000 characters. And now what you want to do is when you finish that, you want to make sure you hit that save. Then it'll save it to your video. When anybody goes to your video, they can actually click the timestamps and it'll go directly to that item. So for example, back to my video, and I refresh it, and I click on it, and it should be there when I look into the description. I'm going to click there. Give it a few seconds to come on up. I'm going to click that video. I'm going to see if it's still there. It should all be everything I just worked on because I saved it. You always got to make sure you save it, which is there. So watch what happens when I go to the actual video now. When you go to the video, you will see it at the bottom. Let me stop the video. Scroll down to the bottom, right here where it says and more right here. You'll click more. Timestamps. So say, for example, I want to see what this mid-century silver tone leaf brooch is. If you click on that, it brings it to that part of the video. And that's it. And it's done. Now, if you made it this far, you have made it to the end for the bonus tip. And I will add my screen to show you what that tip is. If you made it this far to the end of the video, I have extra tips to give you. Thank you for staying this far into the video. Now, the extra tips, this is what I'm going to tell you. When you're doing your videos, there's a couple of things you can do. If you go to each one of the ones you did a chapter or a timestamp for, you can go to and click that particular clip, and what's going to happen is it's going to bring you to that clip. If you are a second or so away off, if you click into the timestamp at the back side of it right here, you can actually back it out into either adding a second, or taking away a second by minus or plus by backspacing and changing it by either 1 second less or 1 second more to get it to exactly where you want. Because sometimes it does happen where I had an issue where I wasn't getting it right where I want it. So I had to go in and take away 1 second or add a second. And that's the easiest way to do it. Now, tip number 2. The easiest way to get these done quicker is if you have everything for your video, especially if you have this many, because I have, I forgot how many, 41, okay? So what I did was I actually have everything on a Word document, which helped me copy and paste in each one of these blocks, because once you hit a timestamp to add, it gives you a box and you type what that is for that timestamp or in that chapter. So when you do that, you copy and paste, and it makes it a lot easier for you to add these into your little clips of your chapter timestamps. I hope that helps. If you enjoyed this video and this type of content, please do me a favor. What I'm going to ask you is free. Right below the video, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Make sure you hit the notification right next to it. But most importantly, hit me the thumbs up, or you can leave me the thumbs down, either way. But also, make sure you leave me those comments. Let me know what you think about this video and this type of content. If you enjoyed it, let me know what you liked about it. But also, if you have any other ideas of how-to videos that you would like to see, let me know in those comment sections, because I do reply to each and every one of those comments. So as I say before I end each and every video, love always, love is always free. Please be kind to one another till we meet into another chat or a live. Till we meet again. Later. Peace out, and y'all come back now, you hear?
First in the mornings, originally from the Bayou State of Louisiana. Here at Cajun Roots Reseller, you make me an offer and I'll take it. You got the dollars, go see Johnny, he's got it all. Let him have it with no problem. See the special man. See the special man.